Go, go, go! Move it up! Alright, there's some guys at the very, very back. I'm gonna run across to the middle, okay? 3, 2, 1. Right side! Matt, I'm coming next to you, behind you. Right behind you, Matt. Do you see any? Matt, I'm going to move up to these pallets to the left of me. Yep. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. I'm pinned down. Am I hit? We haven't started yet. Move back. Come on, get back here. Move up. I need to reload! Inside of that car, there's a guy at the tree. Alright, I got him. I got another one. I'm good. Go, Matt, go! No.
Surrender him!
Damn. At least he got it some part forward. Bring me this. Oh, jeez. Yeah, fucking. I can't see anything very well. How far do we have to go? We have to go right or something, don't we? We're getting sprayed. Yeah. Ow, my arms. Yeah, my left wrist. Yeah. I'll throw one back. Yeah. Yeah. Are you? Alright.
Okay. straight up. You stand behind me.
Alright.
To the ball. 3, 2. Stop firing!
Did we win? Oh, I'm good.
Well done.
Oh my god.
Tell the people up to look left.
Right side, guys. He's got to go for it.
Hang back, I think, right guys?
Oh, what?
Keep pushing forward, keep pushing forward. Right.
Look. Look. I don't actually know. Look. Look, they don't know we're here. Let's sneak around. You want to move up to there? Oh, let's go. Oh, look at that guy. He's going hard. I don't know where it's coming from. As soon as, well, that's him shooting. Good. I don't see anyone. Our teammates are literally crawling up to the right side. There goes Matt. I got the general. Come on, general! I got the general. Come on, get out! We got that general! Woo! Nice. Are they like on the other side of these trees? You gonna try and sneak it off to the right? Alright. Man, that general, he did not want to go out. I just unloaded on Matt though, that was good. Damn, I can't get him like that. Hold on. They're lying down in the grass.
I got him, I got him. See that guy behind the black boy?
Yeah, yep.
Get him.
Well, he's going to spin wheel right there.
Yeah, I got him, I got him.
One more right there, you see?
No, I don't see him. Oh yeah.
He's done. Alright, move up.
Alright, we're coming, we're coming. Yeah, we're with you.
What? Yeah, yeah, go. Stick. Go. Steve, come on. You good?
Yeah, Steve, it's fine.
Clear. Steve, it's clear.
Steve, run! Go on, yeah. You might wanna move up. I got a lot of paint in here, pal. Lock. All right. He didn't hit me. He hit me like I don't even think anything burst.
My gun jammed! He hit you once, like, here. Oh, oh. Oh, that was kick.
Woo! Uh-oh, I'm out! Go! Alright, give him a break, How many you got left?
See these ones?
They're all for him.
They've all got his name on them, man.
And look! He's got a lot of paint! Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, Locke! Nice.